Hello, and welcome back. Now let's deep dive on Manage Jobs section of the dashboard. Once you enter into Manage Jobs section, you can see already created jobs, which if you have previously created, if you are login first time, you will not see any job, hence we will show you how to create a job. Click Add New Job to open a modal pop-up where you'll enter 5 fields: job title, job description, location, company name, and user remarks. Ensure the job title is unique to avoid confusion as you add more jobs. Now let's start adding detail for new job. We already have job requirement collected, and simply copy and paste will help here. First, copy the job title. As mentioned previously, try to keep as unique as possible. In this case, we have full stack Java developer for IBM. Now copy entire job description and paste in the modal form under job description section. It is always better you add as much as detail in job description as possible, since our QuickTechie AI interview selection engine will consider job description to generate entire interview content and questions for interview. Therefore, it is very critical that you add job description in detail and must be crisp and clear, as you want your candidate should be proficient in skills given as part of job description. Hence, don't miss any skills in job description section. Now add location for which this job position open. However, this field is not used for interview. It is just for your reference. Similarly, add hiring for as IBM, since this position is for IBM, and now add your remarks whatever you want and later help you to refer the same. In this case, we are adding remarks as this is Java full stack developer hiring for IBM at Mumbai location. Now click Save Changes. This will save the job you created and will be visible as a new row in the job board. Now as you can see, new job is visible as a new row. You can see unique title of your job. You can hover on the description fields of respective job, and it will show you the entire job description which you have added. Similarly, you can see rest all 3 fields location as Mumbai, hiring for IBM and user remarks which you have added. Let's say if you want to edit your job which you have added, you simply need to click on Edit button of respective job, and you can edit the job. Let's say in this case we want to correct the job location from Navi Mumbai to Mumbai. You make the changes and save it again. Again, you can hover the job description field and you can see the updated job detail. Suppose you wish to delete the job, click on the respective job delete button and it will ask you to confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, it will delete the job. As you can see, job is deleted successfully and only one job is visible as other one got deleted. Now just browse again. Go to dashboard, click Manage Jobs and you will see the job you created is persisted and available. Thanks for watching. We have covered how to manage jobs. In next video we will cover manage candidate in detail. Thanks again, and I hope you started getting acquainted with the QuickTechie AI-powered interview selection engine.